Hey everybody, this is Charlene, and today I wanted to talk about simply the best way to earn $100 per day or more online. And the program I'm talking about is $25 one up. And the reason I really like this program is it's easy for a newbie to come in and learn the system and begin earning commissions right away. It is also really great for those that are more seasoned to earn money quickly. And one of the things that I really like about the program, besides that, is that it is an instant pay program. So everything that you make will be paid instantly to whatever means that you have set up. Most of us are using PayPal, but you can use other some people have used MoneyGrams, Western Union, different things like that to get paid. And so some of the people who have been working in online or digital marketing for quite some time can use this program as instant pay to really offset some of the expenses that they may have in some of their other businesses. For example, when you're working online in digital marketing, you have created a business for yourself. So just like a traditional business, you have expenses. So you may not have a building and rent, but you have advertising. And advertising can be your biggest expense as an online or digital marketer. And so folks will use this program to generate instant cash to help them and offset the expenses for those types of programs. In my group, we teach you how to market and generate sales through free methods. Initially, especially when you're just getting started, as you may not have the funds to use towards paid advertising. And as you get better at marketing online, then you can scale up and look at adding paid advertising into your business structure. But initially, we will teach you how to do free methods. So when you start with $25 one up, it is a one-time pay. There is no monthly residual with this program, which is really great for new people. They're not having to worry about a $50 or $100 expense every single month while you're trying to learn. You just have the one-time fee, and then you can earn unlimited commissions. So let's talk about how the commission structure works a little bit and how this has been really working for newbies and how you too can leverage this program to earn $100 or more per day. So everything in the program, oops, let me turn that off. Okay, so this program has everything that you need. It has a back office where you can look at your business, which contains your contacts, your commissions, how much you've earned, your funnel pages. So it has everything that you need. So let's talk about your funnel pages. First, what is a funnel page? A funnel page is something that you share with a prospect or a lead, and they enter their information, like their email address and their name. So they enter their email address into a page that would look something like this. And once they enter that information, it takes them to a video. And that video goes through the business, the compensation plan, and how it works. Well, when somebody enters their email address in there, it automatically goes into your contacts page. And in your contacts, then the system is set up to begin sending that prospect emails on a daily basis, okay? So that's what a funnel is. They enter their information, they watch the video, they get follow-up emails. So it's a sequence of things that make up a funnel. Okay, and this program has all of that. You don't need to set any of it up. And as a new person, as a new person doesn't know how to set up a funnel. They don't know how to set up an email sequence, and all of those are things that you can learn after you've been doing this, a month or a couple of months or whatever time frame you're working with. Okay, let's talk about how the one-time payment works. So in the program, you can come in at different levels. And we always recommend you position yourself as high as you can because you will earn commissions based on the level that you are at. So the first level is our gold level. It is a $25 fee. And with that, you will get gold level training. So let's look at that here. Whoops. Let's look at the gold level. And at the gold level, you will have all of your pre-written ads, tips for creating ads, Facebook group lists that you can join, which is where you may advertise, ideas on how to promote any business, and mindset training. That is what you get at the gold level for $25, okay? And at this level, then you are able to earn $25 unlimited commissions. Okay, so your first sale, you keep your $25. You have broken even now. You got your $25 back, and your second sale gets passed up to your sponsor. Same thing when you bring people in. If you brought in a new person, they would keep their first $25 sale, and their second sale would pass up to you. So it creates an environment of teamwork, and that you will help train your new people because there is a benefit in that for you. Okay, so let's go back. The next level is our platinum level, and it is $100 at the platinum level, but you must first buy gold to then buy platinum. So at platinum, you have access to everything that's in the gold level, but then you also have a number of other trainings. Facebook training, lots of videos in the Facebook training, YouTube training, and Instagram training. If you're not already aware, video marketing is a must when it comes to working online, whether you're going live on Facebook or you're creating YouTube videos like I am now, okay? Which reminds me, go ahead, subscribe to my channel, click the little bell that's next to it so then you'll get notified every time that I put out a new video, okay? So that comes with the platinum level. But also at that level, you are now able to earn $125 commissions. So with this level could certainly change your economy and your income. So what would an extra $100 or $200 a week do for you? Now if you're getting $200 or $250 a week being new, you could pay your cell phone bill, you could pay down your credit card, you could pay your utility bill, you can do something with that money. At the gold level for $25, you can barely go out to lunch for $25, but you can really change your situation at the platinum level. Now, these two levels are new. The diamond level is $250, and the enterprise level is $500. If you come in at the enterprise level, all of the other levels are included, and so the enterprise is $500, and everything else just comes with that if you come all in right away. And then there's more advanced training at those two levels. But since these two levels are new, I haven't upgraded yet, and I will be doing that very, very soon. So at the diamond level, $250 commissions each sale. Enterprise level, you make a $500 commission each sale. And in case I failed to mention it, you make 100% commissions on these programs. So you can, once you get to the enterprise level, now there are people who will start having $1,000 days or $1,000 weeks. What could that do for your economy, right? So those are the different levels that we have that are available to you. And like I said, the back office is super easy to set up. We have all the system training in here for you. If you have an Aweber or a GetResponse account, you can link those accounts right into the back office, and a number of other things. The Meet Your Sponsor page. This is interesting. This is relatively new. No, not Meet Your Sponsor. Resources. Nope. Okay, so you have your own Meet Your Sponsor page where you can put in a video about yourself and any other businesses that you promote. Your Facebook link, your Instagram, your YouTube channel, so that way your folks know how to get in touch with you, and maybe they'll want to come on board with any other businesses that you might promote, okay? And you can put all of that information here in your back office, okay? So with that, this is a wonderful opportunity for any new people looking to get online. And I would recommend, if you're getting started, come in at the platinum level, and I will tell you why. That gives you access to all of our team training, not just the training that's here in the back office, but our team training. So we have weekly webinars along with a blueprint to success. And that blueprint, you can print it out. It tells you what to say to prospects, what to do on a daily basis. It gives you ideas for doing lives, YouTube videos, all of the things that will help your learning curve go much faster and be more successful. So definitely do the platinum level if you can, or come in higher if you can. So this is a great opportunity for 2018. My goal yet for the last part of the year here is to earn $5,000. I know other people who have earned that already, and I haven't been with this opportunity all that long, and to date I have earned about $500 in my first 4 weeks. So it is possible, and this is the first online program that I've been able to earn an income at as well. I've tried so many other different things, and I never received a ton of training, and this blueprint that we use has been very, very helpful. If you can follow directions, you can definitely do this business. So thanks so much for your time. Again, subscribe to my channel. I love you guys, and have yourself a great day.